ready to ditch tedious web design and launch a stunning site in minutes. Let's jump straight into building a complete website with Relume AI. First, head over to Relume AI and hit that Generate Website button. This is where the magic begins. Next, specify your website's topic, target audience, and the overall style you're going for. Be as specific as possible for best results. Relume AI uses this information to tailor a unique design just for you. Relume AI will then generate a few different website options based on your inputs. Review each one carefully. Look at how the different sections, the hero section, about us, contact form all work together. See how the content is structured. Choose the design that resonates the most with your vision and click Customize. This opens the website in the Relume editor. Now for the fun part, customization. Use the drag-and-drop interface to rearrange sections, tweak layouts, and adjust the overall flow of your website. Click any text element to edit it directly, tailoring the message to your brand. Add your own photos, videos, and other media elements. Ensure your website looks great on every device. Relume AI automatically handles responsiveness, so you can preview and adjust for desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Once you're happy with your design and content, hit that Publish button. And just like that, your complete website is live and ready to impress. From initial design to final launch, Relume AI streamlines the entire process, empowering you to create a professional online presence effortlessly.